In your computer keyboard, first you must press the number lock key. Now we have pressed the num lock. We have enabled the num lock. Now you can see this is the alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press this alt key. You do not remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time here you must type 10613. After typing 10613 you can release your finger from this alt key. So if you do like this in Microsoft Word, after opening your Word document, you can see that we have created this symbol in our Word. So this is the symbol, that is rightwards arrow above almost equal to. So you can see that this is the symbol of almost equal to, and this is the rightwards arrow. You can see, so we have created a rightwards arrow above almost equal to. This symbol we have created in our computer using keyboard shortcut Alt 10613. For more videos you can subscribe. Thank you.